What's up, lovers? How are you doing today? Today I am making a video about 9 power moves to make your ex jealous or to make her regret losing you. I don't know what happened. She did some dumb shit, you had to leave, or she left you. Whatever happened, we're gonna make that bitch regret it. Yes. So before we start, I wrote a book, made an ebook if you don't want to read, and I have a course. So it's visual. You can see me. I talk. I say the dumb shit I say, and it's actually fun. Yes, I would say that since I did it. I made it. All right, so you can find all of this at shopmellimonaco.com, and it's called the Ultimate Love Cheat Code. So I would appreciate you if you go support over there. And actually, you're helping yourself. You're helping yourself too. All right, so let's jump right in. Number 1. The first thing you need to stop doing is simping. Stop fucking simping. Stop calling her. Stop texting her. Stop stalking her social media. Stop watching her stories. Stop liking her photos. What are you fucking doing? Stop. You are annoying at this point, and it's embarrassing. I am telling you, you're embarrassing. The bitch left you, and you're like still liking everything, still watch. What are you doing? Stop. Restrain yourself for her to miss you and want to run back to you. You got to disappear, and you got to take away everything that you were giving her. So if you're still calling, making sure she's okay, why are you doing all of this for this bitch who is not doing shit for you because she left? She's not your girl no more. Stop doing all of this. Now she's going to feel the void. She got to feel that there's a difference. Because what is the point? Why do I need to be in a relationship with you when I can get everything that you're giving me when we were in a relationship, and now I'm free? I'm free. I can go cheat. Oh, it's not cheat because we're not together. I can go be with other dudes. I can be taken care of by other men while you're still doing all of this for me. I'm not going to miss you. You're doing the same. Number 2, acknowledge yourself. When I say that, this is really one of the most important things that you need to put in your brain. You need to sit down and remind yourself who the fuck you are. If the bitch left you when you know you were a good man to her, you know you didn't cheat, you know you were supportive, you know you were protective, all of that shit you provided, and the bitch left, it's her loss. It's really her loss. And I know it's easier said than done because you're like, you miss the bitch, you love the bitch. But I do that to myself too. When it's done with the dude and I know I was a really good girlfriend and he left, I'm like, yo, I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this. I make a list of all the shit that I brought to his life, all the shit that I know I have, all my qualities. And I'm like, oh, you don't want all of this? Fuck you. And I'm not calling him to tell him, fuck you. This is not what I'm saying. You gotta boost yourself up. Boost yourself up. Because nobody is going to boost you the way you should boost yourself. You have to shift your mind. She would be lucky to be with you. Once you put that in your brain, you're not going to give a fuck about the bitch. I'm not saying you're not going to be still a little hurt or whatever. But then it's not really a loss. You lost the person because, oh, you're not around them anymore or whatever. But you can go find better. And also, disclaimer, you have to be amazing yourself for real. You can't be like shitty and be like, well, I'm the best. That's not going to work. You got to really genuinely sit down and think, am I really a good dude? And if you know you're a good dude, you know you're winning and the bitch is losing. Number 3, it's reinvention. It's reinvention time, bitch. Because what? You got to transform yourself mentally and physically. So while you're transforming yourself physically, you gotta use Lee. Yes, because Lee is the skincare uncomplicated for men. So I don't want to hear no more excuses. It's too many products. It's difficult. No, it's not difficult. They send you everything you need and nothing that you don't, so you don't waste your money and you don't waste products. So they send you a wash every day, twice a day. Please wash your face twice a day. Then you put your moisturizers because you don't want to be dry. You want your skin to be moisturized. And then only twice a week, you use the scrub. You use the scrub to make sure all the impurities are gone. A lot of you don't realize the impact of having a good skincare routine on your life, your love life, on your everyday life, every aspect of your life. So you shouldn't wait. So because Tijan Lee is awesome, there's 5,000 five-star reviews online. So you don't got to take my word for it. You can take the word of strangers. I would take my word for it. But anyways, yes, so what you do, because Tijan Lee is sponsoring the video today, they are giving you, my lovers, 30% off your first order. All you got to do is click the first link in the description of this video and you will be on your way to perfect skin. So while you are reinventing yourself, go shopping. Go on a little shopping spree on you, because you go do shopping spree for bitches instead of yourself. Go take care of yourself. Groom yourself, get a haircut, feel good. You know you feel good when you got the fresh haircut. Daddy! I'm sorry. Life is good. All right, so after you invented yourself, you gotta be more precise, which is number 4, on your posting. Because, you know, now that you're not hitting her up all of this bitch is gonna be like, yo, what's up with Brendan? What is Brendan doing? I thought he would be begging by now. Brendan is online, so she's going to come to your IG. You make sure you don't block the bitch. The bitch needs to be able to see everything. So she goes online. Let me see what Brendan is up to. She goes online. She's like, wait, what is this page? That's not Brendan. Yes, bitch, that's Brendan. Brendan is better now that he's off of you. Yes. So Brendan got to the gym. Brendan got perfect skin. Brendan got a nice haircut. She's like, what the fuck? Now you gotta pay attention to how your Instagram look. I know for a lot of men, you guys be trash on Instagram. Not trash, but you don't put as much effort. And women really look at Instagram. I'm sorry. So you need to put some effort into your Instagram, especially if you want her to come back. So let's say you had a trashy Instagram before. Now she comes back and she's like, that's not Brendan, but yes, it is, bitch. So you got nice pictures, and I'm not saying professional pictures, but just nicer pictures, nice pictures. Then you have some reels, some videos where you're having fun, when you're going on adventures, like shit that you're not used to be doing. I'm not saying lie, but actually maybe you need to go do some more exciting shit, because now that you're online and you seem exciting, she's like, I need him back. That's not the same Brendan that I'm used to. My Brendan was boring. I wanted to have fun. He wanted to stay in the home. You need to reinvent yourself. That's part of it. And you got to show it so that it shows that you are interesting. Again, and that you're having fun and that you're not sitting at home. Even you can take it a little riskier. I would do that type of shit if I were you. You know, on the table, there's a martini glass and a beer. Take a picture of that. If you want to take it even further, the bitch is holding, a girl is holding the martini glass and you're holding the beer. So now it's kind of like, are you on a date? We don't know. And then if you want to take it even further, post the bitch. But that's if you're brave, because some women are going to be like, what? You already moved on? But hey, we're playing games here, because the bitch left you and you want her to be mad, right? So that's what we're doing. So number 5, that goes with what I kind of say, is be more exciting, be more adventurous, go on shit that you don't do usually and show it, post it. And also not just to post, but also it's gonna make you feel good to try new things and discover new adventures or whatever, or hang out with new people. That's gonna make you feel good too. Number 6, ask her about a girl. So that's after, you know, you've removed yourself totally. Now you come back around and you ask her about a girl, because she's going to be like, why are you asking me about this girl? Just tell her, what do you think about Alice? And she's going to be like, why are you asking me? Make sure you don't answer. You don't answer to that question. Oh, no, and walk away. So now you're going to let her marinate. You're going to let her wonder. And she's going to be like, why was he asking me about Alice? Does he like Alice? Is Alice better than me? Does he want her? Now, her mind is playing tricks on her. And now she's like, he can be with Alex. I need to be with him. Number 7, flirt with another girl in front of her. Okay, so it doesn't have to be like the other girl is there, but if you can do that, that's even better. If it's both of you in the same place and there's another girl and you flirt with her, that's best. But you don't gotta do it like that. You can, for example, me and you are friends, you're the guy, you go to your party and you're like, hey, Melli, text me. So you text me outside, and then by the time you talk to the bitch, the ex, I'm gonna send you another text, and then you're talking to her, but you're gonna get my text and you're gonna start looking at your phone. Stop talking to her. Like she was midsection or you were midsection. Stop talking to her. Look at your text. Laugh. Crazy. Even make a comment. Oh my God. She's so funny. And then text me back. Laugh. Put your phone away. Oh yeah, what were we saying? What were you saying again? Yes, because right now she's like, yo, who is texting him that he's so excited that he stopped talking to me, that he's so engaged with her, talking about with her. She's gonna decide it's a girl with her, and that they're having a good time while he's talking to me. I should be the most important thing right now. No, bitch, you're not. No more. No more. So right there is gonna fuck her up. Number 8, if she's texting you now, you know, it's been a while, you guys have been done. She's texting you. Make sure you take 3 hours to respond to the bitch. You are not available. You're busy. You're doing other shit. I don't got time for you, bitch. You're not my priority no more. And make sure it's very quick. Quick, short, sweet. Not sweet. Don't be sweet. Hey, how is your day going, Brendan? Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, my day is going great. But you respond that 3 hours later. That's it. Don't ask her about her day. Don't elaborate what you've been doing the whole day. None of that. She don't deserve none of that. Yeah, my day has been great. Even if you're even stronger, because I know if you still want the bitch, you got to be strong. If you're even stronger, don't respond. Like, respond the next day. And don't apologize for how long you took to respond, but respond to that same question. So you go to sleep, the next day you wake up, oh, my day was great. That's gonna fuck her up crazy. And number 9, which is my favorite, my fave. Find another bitch, a better bitch, a bitch that wants you. Find that. And don't look back at whatever her name was, Brenda. Don't look back. There's better bitches. If a bitch leaves you, it's because, I don't know. I shouldn't say that. I was going to say she didn't realize your value or whatever. Maybe it's something else. But if you know you've been a good dude to that bitch and she left, you need to go be a good dude to somebody else. That's all I'm going to say. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. Me and clapping my hands. What the fuck is wrong with me? I'm clapping for my book. Standing ovation on my book. The Ultimate Love Cheat Code. You can go check that out at shopmelimonaco.com. There's an ebook and there's a course. If you want to hear me talk and yell and laugh and say dumb shit, you get the course. If you just want to read it, you can read. I talk stupid too in there too. All right, I love you guys. I appreciate your support. I hope you're having a great beginning of the year. I hope it's looking the way you want it to look. And we're pushing through. Yes. All right. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. I'm so excited to talk to y'all. I swear. I don't be as excited in real life, but talking to myself in front of the camera for you, I get excited. So thank you. Goodbye.